Do your employees hate training? Do they complain that it's too long and too boring? If so, you might consider games because they make learning more fun and engaging and effective. Maybe you've considered games in the past, but you've been challenged to find the time or the budget to incorporate them into your training. If so, let us introduce you to the Training Arcade, a fast and affordable way to transform passive learners into active ones and ensure fun along the way. The Training Arcade has a library of customizable games, a do-it-yourself authoring tool, and a robust analytics dashboard. On average, subscribers report 3 games per play and a 64% lift in knowledge after gameplay. So if you want learners to interact with your content longer and the information to stick, the Training Arcade might be the right tool for you. You can quickly leverage the Training Arcade's design templates or customize your own based on branding and content needs. In no time, you'll be motivating your audience, driving friendly competition with leaderboards and rewards, and most importantly, the Training Arcade dispenses real-time data that provides immediate feedback on the effectiveness of your initiative. All games are SCORM compliant and XAPI ready. Integrate with PowerPoint, Captivate, Storyline, and Lectora, or publish the game all on its own. So what are you waiting for? Grab a free trial and turn your learning content into a training game in minutes.